Hey guys, William Murfitt here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's episode, I am getting super excited because my prize for the Snap-on calendar has arrived.
I know you don't love me like you say you do.
Right, so I am super excited to open these. Now, back earlier in 2020, before coronavirus and before everything happened, there was a Facebook post saying about Snap-on's looking for a 2021 calendar entries. Post a picture. I posted a picture. The picture was then shared, or not shared, but it was liked and stuff, and then Snap-on come back to me directly and said, "You've made it through to the next round. Can you give some more details with regards to your vehicle? Some more pictures." So I sent some more pictures through. A couple of weeks later, I got another email to say you've been shortlisted for the next, or for the top 12. Oh no, I've been shortlisted for the next round. And then a couple of weeks after that, I got another email to say, "Congratulations, you have made it through to the final 12. Now, since then, coronavirus has happened. Lots of things have unfortunately gone wrong with the world, and the prize maybe isn't what it could have been. The original prize was a photo shoot, some images and whatnot, and I have no idea what's in these. I haven't opened them yet. They've literally just arrived, but I'm so excited to get them open. So much so that I've been left in charge of the baby as well. Come on, you sit up. You can help me open this. So, yes, let's get into this. What's in here? Oh, there it is, the 2021 Snap-on calendar. There's 1, 2. Oh my god, there goes my camera.
Come here. Right, quick.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
Okay, right, this is take 2. So, in the box, you haven't got the laptop on second there. Camera over.
What?
You haven't got the laptop on the screen, have you?
Pudding.
Take 3. Okay, in the box. Oh, we've got the Snap-on calendar. I'm going to look at this in a second. There's 1.
I wouldn't leave that in her reach.
Get off. Hey,
Give her one of them.
get off. There's 2. 3. 4. 5 calendars. Go here. Tell you what, you can have one of these if you want. Whoa. Some stress balls. It's a Snap-on man. On this? Yeah. Not in your mouth.
Yeah.
Snap-on van. Wait. Get that head out your mouth. Tell you what, Jazz, you can have this Snap-on spanner instead. There you go. There we go.
Oh, that's a good spanner, isn't it?
A Snap-on pocket diary. A Snap-on pen. What's this? A miniature magnetic toolbox Snap-on calendar. There's my car. That box box is empty. I'm going to use this in a minute. And this one here. Probably just cut away from the baby, really, shouldn't I?
She's loving that spanner.
Do you like it? Oh, 2021 custom garage winner.
That's cool.
You know where this is going? That is awesome.
Are you using that one?
No.
That is pretty cool. It's a bit big. Where are you going to put it?
Just here. Oh, that is quality. Right, so that's that. Let's back in the box. And onto these bits. So before I open this is a snap-on micro roll cap. This may be the only possibility I can afford to get a snap-on snap-on toolbox.
You're keeping that screws.
No idea.
Kind of put spanners in that.
That is cool though. It's heavy. And this one here, micro top box. Hey, get that out your mouth. That is super, super cool. So the question is, because my wife's just off camera, can I buy a snap-on toolbox?
You've got one now.
Oh. Right, well, I guess the only thing now is actually look in the calendar and see what's what, see which month I got. Right, okay, so here we go. So January is an old Mercedes. It's a 190 Evo. February is a custom V8 chopper. Oh, sorry, on your head. March is a nice Volkswagen Beetle. April, Chevrolet Bel Air. May, a Hillman Imp Deluxe.
There he is. June, my birthday month.
June, there we go. There's Rusty.
Oh, you've just bashed her on the head.
Super proud of that. Super, super proud. That looks incredible. Right, so we go across to July, which is a Renault Clio V6. Super cool cars then. My dad wanted to get my mum one of these once and she said no, rightly so. August is a Land Rover Series 3. Short wheelbase as well. September, that is a cool car. Split screen camper, I want one of them. December is a BMW E21. That's cool as well, nice and slammed. November, a Honda NSX. Some cool cars in there. And then December is a Chevrolet Apache Fleetside. That is it. There's some seriously cool cars on there. And yeah, I am so happy that I managed to get my car, all that hard work I put into the calendar. So yeah, absolutely buzzing. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to Snap-on UK. If anyone was involved in the selection process, I just want to say how truly grateful I am. Thank you to all the subscribers that followed me on the journey to get this little car back on the road. The story that I put to Snap-on, telling everyone about the adventure we went on of getting the car built for IMM and everything, just truly humbling. So I'm just so grateful for everything that's, you know, the opportunity that I've had and the prizes that I've won. So just, yeah, blown away. So thank you so much. I guess just wrap up the video now because I've opened the stuff. It's time to go into 2021 and start using the calendar. So if you have enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Please click the thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber to the channel. Really means a lot to me, and 2021 has lots to come. So thanks very much. I'll see you guys soon. Take it easy.